Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric woks that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium wok for professional results, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Oster DiamondForce DiamondForce electric wok. This wok stands out with its innovative DiamondForce coating, which is infused with diamond particles to create a durable and long-lasting nonstick surface. If you value easy cleanup and consistent cooking, this wok might pique your interest. Its 4.7 quart capacity is versatile enough for various dishes, from stir-fries to steaming mussels. The tempered glass lid and cool touch handles are practical features for safe handling and visibility while cooking. In terms of design, the Oster wok looks sleek and modern, fitting well into any kitchen aesthetic. The removable temperature probe gives you control over your cooking, allowing adjustments for different recipes. However, at 6 pounds, it's lighter than some competitors, which might be a plus for portability, but could feel less robust in hand. Performance-wise, the non-stick surface lives up to its promise, making it easier to cook delicate foods without them sticking or tearing. The downside? The price isn't readily available, and the lack of customer reviews compared to other models makes it harder to gauge its long-term reliability. Overall, the Oster DiamondForce is ideal for casual home cooks who want a reliable nonstick surface for effortless cooking. The pros include its durable DiamondForce coating and lightweight design. As for cons, limited availability and price transparency may deter some buyers. It's a solid choice, but not the most feature-packed on this list. Coming in at number 4 is the Presto 5900 1500-watt stainless steel electric wok, a durable and classic option for those who love stainless steel cookware. Its sleek design features a stainless steel body and tempered glass lid with a stainless steel rim, giving it a professional look and feel. The aluminum-clad base ensures fast and even heating, making it perfect for stir-frying and sautéing. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which is a major convenience for busy home cooks. In terms of performance, this wok excels at maintaining heat evenly, but it lacks a non-stick coating. This can be a pro for those who prefer traditional cooking surfaces, but it may require some additional oil or seasoning to prevent food from sticking. The included wooden spatula is a thoughtful touch, ensuring you don't scratch the wok's surface. With its 3-quart capacity, this wok is slightly smaller than other models on the list, making it better suited for smaller households or meal prep. The Presto 5900 is a great option for anyone who values durability and simplicity. Its pros include its sturdy stainless steel build, even heating, and dishwasher-safe design. However, the lack of a non-stick surface and smaller capacity might not appeal to everyone. At $97.73, it's reasonably priced for its quality, making it a solid mid-range choice. At number 3, we have the Aroma AEW-307 electric wok, the budget-friendly champion on our list. Priced at just $62.50, this wok offers tremendous value for money. It boasts a 5-quart capacity, making it spacious enough for family-sized stir-fries or steaming dumplings. The high-domed tempered glass lid with a steam vent allows for better moisture control during cooking, while the included chopsticks, steaming rack, and tempura rack make this a complete wok kit for versatile cooking. The cast aluminum build is durable and features a non-stick coating for easy cleanup, a feature you'll appreciate if you dislike scrubbing pots and pans after cooking. The cool touch base and handles enhance safety, especially if you're cooking with kids around. It heats up quickly and maintains consistent temperatures thanks to the built-in temperature probe. However, the design might feel a bit bulky at 9 pounds, and while the non-stick coating works well, it may wear down faster with heavy use compared to higher-end models. This wok is perfect for budget-conscious buyers or those new to electric woks who want a reliable and affordable option. Its pros include its comprehensive kit, quick heating, and ease of cleaning. On the downside, it's not as durable as some premium models and its bulky design might not fit smaller kitchens. Overall, the AEW-307 is a fantastic entry-level choice. Sliding into second place is the Aroma Housewares AEW-306 Electric Wok, a professional-grade model that offers everything you need to cook authentic Asian dishes at home. Priced at $62.61, this wok is slightly higher than its sibling, the AEW-307, but it delivers more in terms of accessories and overall versatility. The complete wok kit includes a high-domed tempered glass lid, steaming rack, tempura rack, and extra-long chopsticks, giving you all the tools to tackle a variety of recipes. The 5-quart capacity and quick heat-up capabilities make this wok a powerhouse in the kitchen, while the durable cast aluminum body paired with a non-stick coating ensures easy cleanup. The cool touch handles and base are great for safety and ease of use. Additionally, this model features a detachable base for convenient dishwasher cleaning. However, at 8.4 pounds, it's slightly lighter than the AEW-307, which might make it feel less sturdy to some users. Ideal for home cooks who want versatility without breaking the bank, the AEW-306 excels in delivering even heat and consistent results. Its pros include its comprehensive accessory kit, ease of cleaning, and reliable performance. On the downside, its lighter build might not feel as robust as higher-end models. For its price, though, this wok is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Happy cooking, and see you in the next video.